Hey, tech lovers and Apple aficionados, get ready to dive into something that's buzzing across the rumor mill. Is Apple stepping up the game with a revolutionary AI robot tailored for smart homes? Let's break it down and see if this is the future right knocking at our doorstep. So what's the big deal? Rumor has it Apple is on the brink of unveiling a smart home robot that's not just smart, it's super smart, like know your coffee preference level of smart. This isn't just about playing your favorite tunes or turning your lights on and off. We're talking about a robot that integrates with every part of your home, understands your needs, and maybe, just maybe, keeps your secrets safe too. Imagine this, a robot that's got the brains of Siri, the charm of your favorite barista, and the efficiency of a Swiss watch. This AI wonder could potentially manage your smart devices, tackle your household chores, and learn your lifestyle to serve you better every single day. Apple's promise? To make your home not just connected, but intuitively synchronized with your life. And let's talk numbers because they're huge. The smart home market is booming, expected to balloon to over $207 billion by 2027. With Apple in the race, this could mean big changes. We're looking at a future where Apple doesn't just lead in mobile tech, but dominates your entire living space. The impact on the market? Colossal. The impact on their competition? Well, let's just say they might want to buckle up. Now, onto the tech stuff. Predictions suggest facial recognition, voice control, and machine learning so advanced that your home will literally get you. And with Siri in the mix, everything would be seamless and, dare I say, almost telepathic. From boosting your home security to managing your hectic schedule, this robot could be the personal assistant you didn't know you needed. And it's not just about convenience. This is about pushing boundaries. Apple's venture into AI and robotics could propel advancements in natural language processing, machine learning, and yes, even smarter home automation. This isn't just a step forward, it's a giant leap for tech kind. So, as we sit on the edge of our seats, the potential launch of this AI-powered smart home robot could be a game changer. The future? It's looking smart, connected, and oh so sleek with a touch of Apple's magic. Stay tuned, folks, because our living spaces are about to get a whole lot more interesting. And that's the buzz. Whether you're a tech geek or just smart home curious, this development could redefine how we live our lives at home. So keep your eyes peeled and your Wi-Fi strong. Until next time, stay savvy and keep embracing the techie side of life.